So this is the Life Fitness lat pull down and row. Two different connections, two different exercises. Starting with the lat pull down, I would position myself so that the rollers are pressed down onto my thighs. And all I do is I hold this pin on this side, just here. I pull it out and I lower it to however short or however tall my legs are. Now my legs are firmly planted underneath the roller. I choose my weight, stand up and grab hold of the bar just after the bend. There's a number of different angles you can do on these ones. We're going to do the standard lat pull down just after the bend. I sit down, squeeze my legs underneath the roller, and as you can see, the weight has already been suspended. I allow my shoulder blades to be pulled up by my ears. I then retract my shoulder blades down as I pull the bar to my chest. Stretch my shoulder blades all the way up, full range of motion. Squeeze my shoulder blades down, pull down to my chest. Then stand up and return the weights back to normal. The second thing is a long row. Now this chair simply moves along and lowers down to the ground. So now I've got a much further range of motion from the weight stack. I can sit here and find whichever attachment I prefer, whether it's a wider grip or whether it's a narrower grip, or whether it's the neutral grip that's already attached. I'll just take the carabiner clip off and attach whichever one I would prefer to use. Feet planted on these supports to stop me from coming forward. I sit with a nice straight back, chest pushed out, and I squeeze the bar towards my ribcage and then stretch away. Squeeze towards my ribcage and stretch away. As easy as that. Two exercises, one machine.